How to fix blockchain.com not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix blockchain.com not working. Now if your blockchain app isn't working, the wallet application, then you can go ahead and try and uninstall and reinstall the app. Now before that, you want to make sure that you check your internet connection. Make sure you are not using any VPN services. You want to update to the latest version of the app. If you are using a desktop device, you want to try Google Chrome and logging in via incognito window. Now if this doesn't help, this might be the issue within the server, so you want to wait for a particular moment and then you want to try logging in back again with the app. If it is the issue within the application, then as I said before, you can either uninstall and reinstall the application, or you can clear the cache. For that, you want to head into settings on your device. Under settings, you want to head into the apps option. Under apps, now you can look in for blockchain. You want to tap on it, open it up, scroll down, head into storage. You'll get the clear data and clear cache option at the bottom of your screen. Since I haven't opened the app yet, so there is no any data or cache as you can see, but you'll get it here and you can tap on it and you can confirm it, and this should fix the issue. So this way you can fix blockchain.com not working. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.